असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Now we are going to discuss about polynomials in one variable. So already we have seen many examples for polynomials. So there may be one variable, two variable, three variable, okay, right. So we discuss in this section only polynomials in one variable only, okay. Our chapter belongs to polynomials in one variable, and already we discussed about coefficients, terms and remaining things, okay, right. Now so I am going to write some examples here. 2x square plus 3x plus 2. Second one, 2x plus 3y plus 2z square, 2xyz, 3x plus 2y square plus 3z cube. So next 5a square plus 2b cube plus 3. Next 3z square plus 2z, 3a square plus 4a plus 5. Next p square plus 2p plus 3, cube plus q square plus 2q plus 2. Next t square plus st, this is s ma, okay. Next 5s plus 2, okay, right. So all these are polynomials, okay, right. So all these are polynomials. So how many variables are involved? We can have a look here. 2x square plus 3x plus 2 here. So how many variables involved here? Only one variable, okay. The variable is x. Now next second one, 2x plus 3y plus 2z square. So how many variables involved here? X, y, z. Three variables are involved here, okay, right. Next third one, is it a polynomial? 2x, y, z. Yes, it is a polynomial. So involved variables are 3. What are they? X, y, z, okay, right. This is not belongs to our criteria. Next fourth one, 3x plus 2y square plus 3z cube. So how many variables involved here? X, y, z. Three variables involved here, okay, right. So coming to this 1, 2. Two variables are present in this algebraic expression. It means it is nothing but a polynomial. So two variables involved here. Coming to sixth one, 3z square plus 2z. So this is also one variable polynomial, okay. So involved variable is only one. So coming to seventh one, 3a square plus 4a plus 5. So how many variables involved here? Only one variable, that is a. So here variable is x, and here variable is z, here variable is a. In this p square plus 2p plus 3, involved variable is only one, that is p. Next this one, q cube plus q square plus 2 cube plus 2, okay. So involved variable is q. So only one variable involved. 10th one, t square plus st plus 5s plus 2. So how many variables involved here? Two variables, t and s, okay. So this is not belongs to our criteria, okay, right. So 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all these are first one and sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, ninth one. These are polynomials in one variable, okay. There may be a, b, c, x, y, z, okay. So we can take any variable in the alphabet, okay, right. So all these are variables. Involved variables are one, okay, right. This is about polynomial in one variable. The next concept is degree of the polynomials, okay. So what is the definition of the degree of the polynomial? Look at here. the exponent of the highest degree term in a polynomial is known as its degree. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? So look at the example 1. So 3x square plus 4x plus 2. Okay, so how many variables are involved here? Only one variable, that is x. Okay, the x variable only present here. So what is the highest power? It means exponent. Okay, the highest exponents of the given variable. So the power of x is here 1. The power of x is 2. So what is the highest degree here? So highest power is 2. So this 2 is called the degree of this polynomial. Okay, so what is the degree now? Degree equals to 2. We'll see one more example here. 3x cube plus 4x square plus 5x plus 2. So what is the highest power of the variable involved in this? So highest power is 3. Okay, right, coming to this. So 5x square y power 4 plus 3x cube y power 2 plus 6x power 7. Okay, so 5x square 5 power 4 plus 3x cube y square plus 6x power 7 is the given polynomial. Is it a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. Okay, right. Okay, right. So look at here, ma. So what is the power of this term? It means degree of this term. So involved variables are x and y in this polynomial. Okay, the degree of this term is, so we have to add the powers here. 2 plus 4, that is 6, and here 3 plus 2, it is 5. Here 7 is the degree of this term. Okay, so what is the degree of the polynomial now? The highest power is 7 here. Okay, so this 7 is called the degree of this polynomial. Okay, so this is in 2 variables and this is in 1 variable. So if the 2 variable present, we can find in this way the degree. So 1 variable, there is no problem, simply we can find the degree here. Okay, right, this is about degree of the polynomial. Now general form of the polynomial. So an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x power n minus 2 plus an minus 3 x power n minus 3 plus so on a naught. Okay, this is the polynomial of nth degree. Okay, the degree of this polynomial is n. Okay, this is the general form of the nth degree polynomial. Here one more time, write down here a1x so on a1x plus a naught. Okay, right, so a1 a naught comma a1 comma a2 comma a3 so on an minus 1 an are the coefficients and real numbers. Okay, real constants. Okay, they are called coefficients and they are real constant. We can take any real number for that coefficient, okay? And one condition, remember here, an not equals to 0, okay? An not equals to 0. Here this term must be not equals to 0, okay? Right. This is about general form of the polynomial. You have to by heart this general statement, okay? Now we shall see one example. We shall discuss about this in detail. So here, how many terms are present, ma? So number of terms equals to 3. 1, 2, 3. They are x square term, x term and constant term, okay? So these are the terms involved here, and involved variable. So involved variable is x in bracket, only one variable involved here, okay? This we can call as polynomial in one variable. Involved variable is x, okay? Right. So coefficient of x square is 5 and coefficient of x is 3 and constant term is -2, okay? Right. The constant is -2 here, right? What is the remaining? So degree. So what is the degree of the polynomial? So degree of the polynomial is 2. The involved variable is x. The highest power is 2. Okay. So 2 is the degree. And what is the remaining? Right. So involved terms are 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is a trinomial. Okay. This is the trinomial polynomial. Okay. This is the trinomial polynomial. Okay. Right. This is about this example. So right.